nico.
Yeah, I'm out of love. Ain't no backseat, I just wanna fall. From the back, I just wanna feel love. With the bros, yeah, we up in the club. Yeah, we fuck it up. Got her addicted, she acting up. Sit on my dick, she don't wanna get up. All these bitches ain't never shut up. Yeah, I'm out of love.
Votex.
What's up, guys? It's Votex here. Today we have an awesome sneak peek for the new Nico's Nextbots update. I'm gonna put myself into the machine. Oh god, what's happening? Whoa, whoa, what's happening? Oh, it's a cup of blood. Yummy. Okay.
Votex, I suck.
Legalized system is killing debris. We got call out the machine, guys. Let's see what happens today on this Nico's Nextbots dev stream.
This game
Wow,
sucks.
it's Bloxy Cola. Yay. I'm gonna go throw myself down a flight of stairs now. Thanks for watching. And then put the whatever the f the ending is. Put that in there.
What you just saw was an N_airport. There was even a new vending machine, but what does this mean? Well, to start, cola is well, generic cola. The put myself in the machine basically just gives you your blood. And there was even a few locations, gotta love the stores. I'm still hoping we see all the cool cosmetics which were approved. Still, no known release date for this update. Still, levels will be cool, but devs, I beg of you, don't add double levels or XP. You need money, but 1500 or more per player is enough, please. Anyway, that's all for today. It's 1am1 editing this now.